Ever wondered about the mysteries behind ISO 2678 and its role in the world of machining? Today, we're diving into the intriguing depths of this international standard in our video, unveiling the secrets, fascinating insights into ISO 2678, machining's hidden wonders. The journey begins with the history of ISO 2678, an international standard that governs the world of machining. From its inception, this standard has set the bar for precision, safety, and quality control in manufacturing. Its influence spans a wide range of machining processes, making it a crucial component of the industry. One of the most interesting facets of ISO 2678 is its classification of tool forces. Primary forces, responsible for cutting the material, work hand in hand with secondary forces that stabilize the cutting tool. Then there's the cutting force, the force that removes material during a machining operation. This standard also provides a comprehensive classification of cutting tool materials. High-speed steel, carbide, ceramics, and super-hard materials are some of the groups identified, each with its unique characteristics and applications. Moreover, ISO 2678 lays down guidelines for measuring and evaluating the performance of machining processes. This ensures the highest quality and adherence to required specifications, making it a vital tool for quality control. So the next time you encounter a machining process, consider the hidden wonders of ISO 2678. It's not just a set of guidelines, but a testament to the evolution and sophistication of the machining industry. As we conclude this exploration, remember that ISO 2678 plays a pivotal role in shaping the world of machining. Its influence spans far and wide, ensuring precision, safety, and quality control in all machining processes. So, hit that play button, delve into the intriguing world of ISO 2678, and uncover the hidden wonders of machining. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights. There's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving world of machining. Until next time, keep exploring.